Chicken kurma is one recipe that actually goes very well with most of the Indian main course dishes. And today I'm going to show you a very simple chicken kurma recipe, South Indian style, that I'm going to pair with a nice parota by the side. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First I'm going to make the masala paste for the chicken kurma. For this, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of gingelly oil. I'm going to fry a few ingredients, starting with the whole spices. Next, add 1-inch piece of ginger that's cut up into pieces. Add about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 5 green chilies roughly chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Once the onions are transparent, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and cook it for about 10 minutes on medium flame. The tomatoes have become mushy now. Turn off the stove and let it cool down completely before grinding the mixture. Next, I'm going to grind the cooked masala. In addition to the cooked masala, I'm going to add a few other ingredients, starting with 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut, 1 tablespoon roasted chana dal, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. This is optional. Now add the cooled masala. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add 1/4 cup of water and grind it to a fine paste. The masala paste is ready. Now I'm going to start making the chicken kurma. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of gingelly oil. Add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Add a few curry leaves. Add 2 green chilies slit. Saute it along with the onions. You can see the onions are slowly turning brown. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. To this, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon rock salt. Cook the tomatoes on medium flame till they become nice and mushy. I've taken 1 kg of chicken, clean it well, add the chicken pieces. Mix it well along with the onions and tomatoes and cook the chicken till it's no more pink. Add the ground masala paste. Pour a little water and add the remaining paste. I've added 2.5 cups of water. Close and cook for about 30 minutes on medium flame. The chicken kurma has been cooking for 30 minutes. Check for seasoning and add salt if required. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. The chicken kurma is done. Turn off the stove. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So we've seen how to make this simple chicken kurma recipe. You can enjoy this with parota or with appam and idiyappam. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.